AutomationDirect.com sells a great selection of industrial water components from a wide range of brands for most any application. Spartan water valves are available in low-lead brass body diaphragm valves, composite body diaphragm valves, low-lead brass body inline direct-acting valves, composite body direct-acting valves, low-lead brass body direct-acting valves, and push-to-connect composite body direct-acting valves. These valves are typically available in 120-volt AC or 24-volt DC, with replacement coils available for other voltages. We also sell whatever you need for replacement and spare parts. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. Click here to view water components for your application, and click here to see more Monday Minute videos.